Hi, Wyatt. Today we have ocean life to read about. Let's get started. Are you ready, Wyatt? All right. Splash! Our big blue oceans are full of life. Dive in and take a look. Whales are the giants of the ocean. A blue whale can grow to be as long as two school buses. Whales breathe air through a blowhole in their head. That's where he breathes. Can I hear you breathe, Wyatt? Good job. Whistle! Dolphins are smart and playful. They communicate with one another by making sounds. Dolphins travel in groups called pods. Sharks have lots of sharp teeth. Wyatt, let me see your teeth. You got sharp teeth. If they lose a tooth, another one quickly grows in. Wyatt, did you know that's the same thing that's going to happen to you soon? When you're a little bit older, you'll lose teeth and they'll grow right back in. An octopus has 8 arms. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We counted them. An octopus also has 3 hearts, blue blood, 9 brains, and no bones. Have you ever held a seashell, Wyatt? They come in lots of shapes, colors, and sizes. You can find them on the beach. A seashell is a hard cover for an animal that lives in the ocean. What's that? It's a seahorse. It can quickly change colors to blend in with the background, helping it hide from enemies. A seahorse father carries the babies in the pouch until they're ready to hatch. Pinch, pinch, pinch. Wyatt, let me see you pinch. Can you pinch with your hand? Pinch, pinch, pinch. Crabs and lobsters have hard shells on the outside of their bodies. Their claws open and close to catch food, just like this. Sea turtles have flippers to help them swim. They live mostly in water but lay their egg in the sand and on the beach. Sea turtles have lived since the time of dinosaurs. Fish have a tail and fins to help them swim. Most fish are covered with scales which protect their body and help them move. Fish breathe through their gills on the side of their heads. Let me show you my fish face. Can I see your fish face, Wyatt? Jellyfish have long tentacles. They each use to capture food and sting their enemies. Ouch! Ouch! What is your favorite animal in the ocean? Wyatt, do you have a favorite animal yet? I don't either, not in the ocean. My favorite animal on land is an elephant. That's their trunk. Bye, Wyatt. I love you.